Take a look at this. Another order just came in. You guys can see it's another MotoBilt part. I told you guys I was going to order something for the front of the Jeep JL. So here it is, guys. Stay tuned for this new installation. There we go, a sneak peek to what it is. So first off, we're going to start off by taking the powder coat. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to install this new part in this Jeep. Let's go. Let's take a look at the bare steel front bumper for Monstar. I went with the MotoBilt. You guys all know I have the rear bumper and tire carrier MotoBilt products, so it's only right to continue on to the front. And like I mentioned, this one's actually sponsored by my sister. She decided to sponsor me and help out. So right now I'm just gonna show you real quick how it looks in bare metal before we powder coat it. The MotoBilt logo, the little bull bar, and then this one has the winch hidden. It won't be on top like the Poison Spider that I installed on El Jefe. So that's pretty cool. So let's take a look from the back. So this thing's actually pretty heavy, but that you know that it's really going to be really resistant, really strong for the front of the Jeep. It will protect the front of the Jeep. So it might add a little bit more weight, but we're going to try to keep it as light as we can. But in the front, being the front bumper, we had to get something that's super strong. And so as you guys can see, this will be for the winch plate. It's detachable. Sorry about that noise. But either way, you guys can see the full detail. Let me zoom in a little closer. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Revenant Jeep channel. I'm excited. The first video of the year, and we're finally going to address the front end of this Jeep JL. Like I told you guys in the last video, there was an upgrade coming. Sponsored by my first sponsorship, and let me give a special thanks to Melody, my sister. She decided to sponsor this build, and so as you guys can see right here on the table, we got here a brand new front bumper. We're going to get rid of this stock bumper and put this new one in. So it's going to be exciting to transform the front end of this Jeep. Like I mentioned, there's a lot more upgrades coming in, but this one was definitely something that had to be addressed. As you guys all saw in one of the latest videos, I installed a rear bumper and rear tire carrier, so all we need is the front bumper now. Get rid of this plastic and install something that's stronger that'll help out in the trails later on when I'm really rock crawling. This is going to help protect the front end of the Jeep. So let me thank my sister one more time. She was the first one to sponsor. It's not your typical sponsorship from one of these companies providing the product, but hey, you know, I'll take a sponsorship here and there from my friends, from my family. As long as I get the sponsorship, I'm good with it. And you know, as you guys can see, this is a quality product. It wasn't something cheap, and I'm thankful for it. I was able to powder coat it as well. So let's join in. I'm gonna install this, and not gonna go step by step because you guys know how to unbolt the bumper, take off plastic clips, all that easy stuff. So I'm not gonna bore you guys with that. My time lapse it a little bit here and there, and overall, I just want to let you guys see the overall look. Hopefully that gives you guys ideas so you guys can upgrade your Jeeps later on in the future. But let's get started, guys. Let's upgrade this Jeep. So we're right behind the front bumper, so it's going to be a little hard to show you when I'm bolting these. But as you guys can see, the front bumper has actually 6 bolts. You guys can see these 2 right here, and on the other side of the frame, there's 2 more, and then this one right here on this side, this one right here. So 3 here, and then 3 on the other side. It's going to be the same on both sides of the bumper. And after that, the bumper will come out. So just thought I'd highlight that. That's probably like the most time consuming, just taking these bolts out, and then the front bumper will be out. There we go, the last bolt. And get up. So we're gonna say bye to the fog lights. No more fog lights. Let's see what's holding it up. There we go. OEM bumpers out. Well, that looks pretty rugged. Down no bumper. You guys can see all the GoPros there. It's not that many bolts. It's just as complicated as the rear bumper. So many clips, but overall, just 6 bolts in each corner, and everything detaches pretty easy. So there we have it. So it's gonna look a lot more wider, I think, with the smaller, stubbier bumper. Gonna help the tires stick out more, and then the OEM bumper is kind of covering it up. But now it's just gonna, I don't know, I feel like it's gonna look a lot wider now. Okay, let's take a quick look at the bumper. You guys can see I went with the high gloss powder coating. So shout out to Precision Powder Coating. You guys did an excellent job once again. I'll end up coming back for some other products to be powder coated, but other than that, look at it. It's all looking nice and shiny. As you guys can see in the back, that's the winch plate. And then the front bumper, it's got a little, the bull bar right here. It's gonna look great. And then this one doesn't have the fog lights, so we eliminated the fog lights, but it looks great. It's gonna complement the rear. So, see, I can lift it up a little. So the winch will be, you know, tucked in. Eventually, when I get it, I know I don't have the winch plate, right? Oh, the winch at the moment, but eventually I have to take it down again and then put the winch on. But it's gonna be nice and tucked underneath. All right, guys. So one last detail that I forgot to highlight was you are gonna have to open up the frame holes right here so that the bolts on the bumper can go through. It's a little more, I guess, more narrow. And so what you have to do is you're gonna have to open up, get a drill bit, and just open it up slightly so it can slide in. That's the only thing that MotoBilt actually tells you to do on this frame. It's not tedious. It's something easy, so you will be able to do that. So just make sure you do that, or else the bumper will not align. I forgot about it, and I was already trying to put it in, and unfortunately we have to open it up the hole a little bit. And so that's what I'm gonna do next. So for me, at least, I had to drill the holes, put the bumper back on, take it off, just to make sure everything was aligned. And there we have it. See the holes, they got modified a little bit. This one particularly, for me, I had to modify a lot. Just that top corner, the bolt wouldn't go through. But finally, I was able to open it up, and then the bumper slides in perfectly fine now. So as you guys can see, I did touch it up because now it was bare steel. The paint was off, and I just put a little bit of touch-up paint just so it won't get, you know, rusted. Same with the right side. Just some primer, and then that'll take care of the rust. So now let's slide in the bumper and let's take a look at how the Jeep looks with the brand new bumper. There it is, everyone. You guys can see it was a quick installation. I'm not showing you complete look of the bumper just because I'm gonna wait till it's daylight so you guys can really take a look and let it really highlight in the daylight. So we're gonna end the video right here, me speaking at least, and then I'm just gonna end the video showing you what the Jeep looks completely transformed with the new front bumper, the MotoBilt front bumper. And overall, thank you so much to my sponsor, my sister. She's the one that sponsored this product. She wanted this Jeep to keep transforming. And so, you know, I appreciate her help on this one. And stay tuned, guys, more videos are coming. Stay tuned for the next one. We're going back to the Jefe. I know I haven't been posting a lot of videos of the Jefe. We've been transforming Monstar. If you guys didn't know, the new name for this Jeep is Monstar. So, you know, I have to be juggling both Jeeps now. Investing in both, which is, it's all right, you know, I like my Jeep, so I'm going to be investing in both of them. But the next video is going to be about a Jefe, so stay tuned for those Jeep YJ videos. I got so many backed up, but I mean, I'm going to be dropping them, so stay tuned, guys. And like I said, we'll see you on the next one, and check out the new look of the Jeep JL EcoDiesel Monstar. Later, guys.